In this video, I'll show you how to get paid more than $28 every 10 minutes just by translating simple text from Google Translate. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Before we begin, I want to tell you that this method is completely free and you only need a PayPal account. This strategy is not one of those transcribed methods or those that require you to create a blog post. Rather, it's a completely different approach to making money. Also, if you want to generate money without investing a lot of time or money, I highly recommend subscribing to this channel as I offer different strategies for generating cash online that you might want to try. And if you've not yet subscribed, I might post a video next week or the following day that will change your life forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel, you've probably maximised your chances of generating money online. Now let's get started. Right now I'm on the Google Translate website, which is where you want to be heading if you want to start using translation services. All you have to do is get this up and running on your computer, and I know most of you guys might already know how to do that. Google Translate is an excellent tool for those who want to quickly and easily translate text. Once you're on the Google Translate website, all you have to do to translate something is choose the language you want it translated from and the language you want it translated to. Basically, if I wanted to translate English to Spanish, I would type in hello and it would translate it into Spanish as hola. Pretty straightforward, okay? Now that you know how to translate, you must now go over to CPA Grip, which is a website that is very user-friendly because it's really simple to make money from it. And to make money on the website, simply copy your affiliate link and share it with others. Whenever someone clicks on a link or enters their email address, you'll earn a commission from that action. This easy-to-use platform is available to anyone in the world since it uses PayPal for payments. The only information you need to provide in order to register for this website is an email address, your name and phone number. The first thing you'll see when you log into this website is a list of people who are already making money using it. And as you can see, this guy made $30,727 with 15,000 leads. So he's doing extremely well for himself. This one made $228, another $383. So there are lots of people using this site to generate money. Once you're in the dashboard, check out some of the top performing offers. I'm going to show you how to use this website to make more money by doing something a little bit different. To do that, go to Offer Tools and click on My Offers. By default, this website recognizes that I'm in the United States, therefore it displays the United States for me, which is correct. As you can see here, the highest paying offer is paying out $2.05 per click, which isn't too bad. If you have a lot of traffic, you may make a lot of money doing this task. But what if I told you that you could make more money than just $2 per offer? Well, it's true. You can increase your earnings by finding offers in countries with high purchasing power. And let me show you an example right now. As you can see in France, people can earn a payout of $23. This is much higher than the $2 we saw from the United States. And the reason for this difference is that not many people are using this website to make money in these countries. So they want to incentivize people to start using their website by paying them more money. There are a lot of people using it in the United States, but not many in France. So they want to incentivize them to start using it in France as well. So let's take a look at Spain. What does Spain have to offer? Well, in Spain, they're paying more than $28 a click. So what we're going to do today is focus on Spain. When you look at the website, Spain might not be the highest bid. So you want to check other countries with higher pay rates such as Sweden, Portugal, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt and Mexico. See what people in those countries are promoting and how much they're being paid for it. So for the moment I'm going to choose an offer in Spain, and the reason they're paying so much is that few people speak Spanish and don't market things in Spanish since they don't speak other languages. As a result, most individuals only want to promote English offers. And this is where we come in. So in order to get your affiliate link, you should click this offer here. And let's assume you click the first offer. And in this case, they're asking you to enter your phone number for a chance to win their offer here. And for every person who does this, you'll get $28.76. People will click your link to win a free solar energy generator. So let's try to translate this from Spanish to English using Google. So we want to write it in Spanish, and Spanish people will see this. After getting your affiliate link, copy it to bit.ly to shorten it to make it much more clickable to people. Here's a quick reminder before we continue, make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so. That means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel as well. Now, let's get back to the video. Now that you've shortened your link, go to this website. This website I'm going to show you right now is guaranteed to deliver at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. So not all of them will complete it, but say 10% of those people finish your offer, which is 100 people. If 100 people complete your offer, you could make over $2,876. To qualify for the free solar generator, potential customers just need to click on your offer and input their phone numbers. If you have 10 people on your list, you'll be making $280 each time. So it's still worth it for something that only took you less than 10 minutes to set up, and obviously you may do this as many times as desired. The amount of money you'll make, well, it simply depends on how many times you want to perform it. So now what you want to do is go to trafficadbar.com, and you should copy your link from bit.ly and paste it here. So this is your affiliate link with the name of your product, a solar generator, written here. So all you have to do now is add it there and then hit website. So here's where Google Translate comes in. What we want to do is go back to Google Translate and put, "You can win now this Jackery solar generator from English to Spanish." And now that we have the Spanish version, you may use it in your title. This is going to be your ad, and it will look like this. So, what is the language of your ad and website? Because we're running an ad in Spanish, you should put this in Spanish. Also write Spain in the country that you want to advertise it in. Okay, so you can see now they're giving you 1 extra credit, and it'll post your ad into the network. After that, click Save and it'll save your ad into the network. So every time someone performs a desired action, in this case input their phone number, you'll earn money. And remember that the website promises to give people 1,000 visitors. If just 10% of those people take the desired action, you'll still earn $280, which is definitely worth it. To create is effort, to copy is genius, Albert Einstein. And if you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.